In this video, you'll learn how to connect Replit to ChatGPT so you can call the API directly from your code. By the end, you'll have a working example that sends a prompt to ChatGPT and prints the response right inside your Replit project. Let's start inside Replit. Go ahead and open the project where you want to use ChatGPT. This can be an existing Python REPL or a brand new one. Just make sure it's set up to run Python, since that's what we'll be using in this example. Next, you'll need your API key from the OpenAI dashboard. In a separate browser tab, sign into your OpenAI account and go to the API section where keys are managed. If you don't already have an API key, create a new one there. Remember, treat this key like a password. Don't share it, don't commit it to Git, and don't paste it directly into your code. We'll store it securely in Replit instead. Now back in your Replit project, we'll install the OpenAI Python library. This is the official client that lets your code talk to the ChatGPT API. In the Replit shell or the built-in package manager, run the command pip install OpenAI. Wait for the installation to complete. You should see it download and finish without errors. Once that's done, your project will be able to import and use the OpenAI client. With the library in place, the next step is to add your API key securely using Replit secrets, also known as environment variables. In Replit, look for the secrets or environment variables section, usually represented by a lock icon in the sidebar. Open that panel and you'll see a way to add a new secret. For the key name, type OpenAI API key in all caps, exactly like that. For the value, paste in the API key you copied from the OpenAI dashboard. Save it. This stores your key securely, so it's available to your code, but never exposed directly in your files. Now we can write the Python code that connects everything. In your main Python file, start by importing the modules you need. At the top of the file, add import OS import OpenAI. These lines let you access environment variables and the OpenAI client. Right after that, set your API key from the environment by writing OpenAI.API key equals os.environ OpenAI API key. This tells the OpenAI library to use the key you stored in Replit secrets. If the name doesn't match exactly, it won't find it, so double check that the variable name is correct. Next, we'll create a simple ChatGPT request. Add the following code: response equals OpenAI chat completion dot create model GPT-4 messages / role user content. Write a Python function to reverse a string. This calls the chat completion endpoint using the GPT-4 model. The messages list is where you pass the conversation. Here we're just sending a single user message asking for a Python function that reverses a string. Finally, we want to see the reply from ChatGPT. Add this line, print response.choices, message content. This grabs the model's response text from the first choice and prints it to the console. Now run your REPL. If everything is set up correctly, you should see ChatGPT's generated Python function appear in the output. That's all it takes to connect Replit to ChatGPT. Open your project, get your API key, install the OpenAI library, store the key securely in Replit secrets, and then write a short Python script to send a prompt and print the response. From here, you can customize the prompt, handle multiple messages, or integrate ChatGPT into a larger application right inside Replit.